Thank you very much for hello today. How's everybody doing? If the question is, I got a question from a user, a subscriber, individual from INFANTAJITHA 5155. The question is, if I add the new Linux machine in Commvault console, should I install the media agent for the Linux machine as well? So there's simple answer is basically it's really based on your environment. If this is a lab environment, please do install Linux media agent on it so you learn how it works. If this is a production environment, if you have more Linux individuals on your team, like they know they're Linux admins, and you have more of a Linux shop, like you have mostly Linux, then yes, install Linux in a production environment, Linux media agent. If you have more Windows people, then in a production environment, install Windows Media Agent because of the troubleshooting purposes, right? And the other consideration is if your primary storage is on your Media Agent, then the easy button is Windows because more people know Windows than the new Linux, especially at Commvault as well. They have more. They tend to have more resources troubleshooting Windows issues than Linux issues. So that's that. The other consideration is your DDB, DDB folder, DDB cache. So you have like index cache, you'll have a DDB folder. If this all goes down to the Linux resources, setting it up, troubleshooting it, getting it working. I will say I've seen more firewall issues with Linux than I have with Windows. For whatever reason, that's just how it is. And it's just a matter of ease. Yeah, so thanks for the question. I appreciate it. And have a great day.